name is Aliska Walker. I am the owner of Aliska Amazing Affirmations, is the overarching of my company. Doing business as Aliska Amazing Pickles, and now I have Aliska Amazing Pickle Cafe. Aliska Amazing Pickles is a unique product of pickles, flavored pickles of all types, specialty pickles, gourmet pickles that you can't find anywhere else. I have Miss Hilarious Hickory Sweet Hot Bacon Pickles. So I have a jar of pickles that have bacon inside of them. I make pickle cupcakes as well as relish. And I take certain flavors of my pickles and I infuse them into air fried foods. So I have chicken, spaghetti, I have a pickled potato soup, pickled cornbread. I have about 40 flavors of pickles and 10 relishes. Pickles have always been my favorite. As a kid, I used to take the candy cane and Jolly Ranchers and put them inside of my pickles and eat them, and that's all I ate. I would eat them in the morning. It didn't matter. Every time you saw me, I had a pickle in my hand. I use pickles in all my recipes, and I focused on it. It's because I love pickles, for one. For two, I used it as an icebreaker game for my first grade students in my classroom. I like to inspire others, as well as I like to see the light bulb go off in a child's head. On the first day of school, I bought them mason jars and I bought them pickles. I allowed them to cut the pickles up. They created their own recipe, and at that time we were just making like Kool-Aid pickles, but they had to create a marketing plan. They had to write about it. We did a research about pickles, and my students had to do a presentation. So the whole point of me creating pickles and focus on pickles to get kids up out of their seat and get them over the jitters of the first day of school. That was my first experience with that, and from there I kind of just said, I could start my own business because I like pickles. And so from there I just kind of build on adding pickles into different things to make them unique. And I looked at the market. There's nothing out here like that. I create the different flavors by thinking of a woman. So each name represents the persona of a woman. And the reason why I did that is because I know as a woman I wear many hats. And so from that name, I took the certain flavors, and that's how I came up with the specific flavor to kind of match the actual name. So a pickle party is when you come in, you get a bag of pickles that already has been through the fermentation process. You get to choose from a buffet of spices and you create your own personality pickles. So you take those certain spices and you create your own flavor. We play blindfold pickle, where you have to draw a pickle in a mason jar that's on the wall while being blindfolded. What I enjoy most about doing what I do is spreading the love through my pickles with unique flavors, by putting together unique flavors and having people come back to me and say, I love your pickles.